For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Suraj Pancholi broke his silence over all the allegations made against him. Suraj said someone had written a false story on personal Facebook page and put it out. Social media has been trending with new hashtags every day related to SSR ever since he was found dead in his apartment in Bandra. The latest trend was hashtag Suraj Pancholi. Netizens accused him of murdering Jia Khan, SSR's ex-manager Disha, and now Sushant Singh Rajput. In fact, a written story was making rounds which claimed that Suraj was having an affair with SSR's ex-manager Disha. The story also claimed that he killed Disha when she was pregnant with his baby, and Sushant, who was aware of this affair, was about to expose him. Finally, talking to an entertainment portal, Suraj rubbished all the accusations and said he didn't have any rivalry with Sushant Singh Rajput. The actor also said that he hadn't known SSR's ex-manager until SSR died by suicide.
I never had any argument with Sushant Singh Rajput, which I have clarified before as well. And why will Salman Khan get involved in my life? Does he not have other things to do? I don't even know who Disha is. I've never met her in my life. I found out about her after Sushant's death, and I feel bad for the families involved. Someone has written this rubbish on their personal Facebook page, made it into a movie script, and put it out there.
Suraj also confessed how all these allegations and accusations, including Jia's death for the past 7 years, have been affecting him mentally and emotionally.
It feels like it's me against the world. The situation is such that anyone writes anything and it goes viral in a few minutes. People who don't know the truth actually believe what's been written. This is affecting me a lot. I don't know what to say. It's been 8 years and Jia's case hasn't even taken off, and it's only because Jia's mother, Rabia Khan, doesn't show up in court. I had to face the CBI since I was 21, 22.
Suraj also spoke about all the allegations that suggest that Salman Khan is backing him and helping him get away from all the crimes he has allegedly done.
Salman Khan was the producer of my first film, Hero, in 2015. He gave us a chance, and after that, it has been my journey. He's not responsible for what we do in the future. Nepotism has nothing to do with what's happening right now. I met Salman Khan on the sets of Ek Tha Tiger. He had promised me that he would give me a film because he must have seen some potential in me. He asked me whether I wanted to be an actor, and I worked really hard for it. The first film that I auditioned for was Kai Po Che, and I was rejected there.
Suraj's family is equally disturbed and upset about the actor being dragged in all these cases. Suraj's father even questioned if Disha was pregnant and if that wouldn't be mentioned on police records. Suraj Pancholi's father, Aditya Pancholi, is worried if the social media trends and harassments force his son to take some drastic step.